Hola! Today we're making a very delicious and traditional tapa. In Spain, we have our own way of making this. It's the Russian salad or Ensaladilla Rusa. So let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description. First of all, we're going to peel our large potatoes and we're going to cut them into cubes. This big is good. Later on, we're going to peel the carrots and we're going to dice them as well. And finally, I'm going to use some pickles. I'm not a big fan of olives, that's what people normally use, so I'm gonna give it a touch of pickle flavor. Now I'm boiling some water, and when it's ready, I'm adding some salt and the potatoes together with the carrots. And with some peas. I'm gonna cover it, leave it in a medium fire for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to boil some eggs. Now 25 minutes have passed, so I'm going to check if these are well cooked. The way to do this is I'm gonna take one out, I'm gonna pierce it through with the knife, and if it comes out clean, that means it's ready. Now I'm going to cut these in half. And I'm going to take out the yolk. Please make sure you do this when the egg is cold. I'm going to use this little grater and I'm gonna grate the yolk. We will use this later on for decoration. Now with the whites, I'm cutting them into small pieces. Now I'm gonna add salt at taste. A little bit of ground black pepper and a touch of vinegar. I'm gonna mix it all together and I'm gonna add some tuna. I'm adding some egg, and as I said before, I'm adding these pickles, but you can add some olives. Mix it all together. Mayo. And we're gonna mix it all together. And then we're gonna let it rest in the fridge for a couple of hours. Now it's time to serve our Russian salad. Now this is up to you, you can add a little bit of extra mayonnaise on top. For decoration, we're gonna put some pepper. And finally, egg yolk. So this is our Russian salad, I hope you like it. Please subscribe and hit like if you enjoyed the video and you want us to prepare more content like this. So, buen provecho. Enjoy. Adiós.